Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to create colored glitch effect on your videos on Lumafusion 2.4. Lately I posted this created edited video on my Instagram channel, and some of the friends, they commented under my video on YouTube. They asked me how to do this and how I created this, and that's why I'm going to show you today. So as you see, I created already a project and I posted this on Instagram, and at the end of the video I already added my original video footage. So first of all, what I want to say to you, that you have to go to the Lumafusion application and then create a project and then import your video where you want to apply this effect. Find the section on your video, as I found out here, 8-second section, that I'm going to apply this effect here. So I made already 2 cuts here and made a 8 seconds section, so you can find out where you will apply on your videos. After you're done with the cut of your section of your video, duplicate this. I duplicated 4 times, and in total I will have 5 videos. I left it here empty because I wanted to, in case of I can add another text effect or something else, or a lens flare. That's why I left it here empty. So in total I have 5 videos. What you have to do here in this 8 seconds video, after you're duplicating this basic video, you have to go to each videos and double click them and then go to color and effects, and here you have to choose whatever you want, what color you wish. You can choose here, but I will start with blue, and then for the second one I will choose tint type, and for the third one I will choose sepia, for the fourth one solar flare. Yeah, okay. When you're done with all of these, you have to see what you can do more. For the first one, I will add here op art tiles. So I'm doing this because it will give me a great effect. You see, you can play on, modify the scale of it and width of it. As you see, you can turn it out or down, upside down, as you wish. Also, you can add here keyframes and play with the width of this effect. What I want to show you here with the keyframes, for example, I started with this size and I want to end with the vice versa or something like this. So for the second one, tint type, maybe we can change the place of it a little bit, something like this, maybe closer. Yeah. And for the third one, what we have here, no, I don't want to change this, keep it as it is. And then for the fourth one, what I can do again, go to color and effects, choose this effect again, op arts. So yeah, now we are done with the effects. Closer, and then make a cut in right in the middle of your video. So we will separate into 4 seconds of each. So I have to come back and then make a cut for all of them. Yeah, now we have 4 seconds on the left, 4 seconds on the right side. Here, what we have to do, make another cut right in the middle. So I'm making another cut, sorry. Here you have to be careful. Here I have 2-second videos there, and then I will make a cut here again in the middle. So after I'm done, I will make another cut right in the middle here. Yeah, here I have 1 second, 1 second. Another cut here right in the middle, and another one here. Yeah, okay. So this one also right in the middle. So now we have our 1 second videos. What you have to do here, delete some of them and keep some of them, so that you will have the effect by relocating them in your 8 seconds section of your video. So as you see in my created footage, I replaced them. Some of them was at the end, some of them was in the beginning. So I made a little change. As you see here, the color is changing and here is changing, the op art tiles is coming, and then here again the color is changing, and also op art effect is coming. So you see here right in the middle the blue effect, there is nothing here, and then it is changing to sepia, and here the title effect starts. While the title effect is appearing, I am applying again here the blue op art effect, and I'm getting closer by adding keyframes here, and the text is appearing when it comes to stabilized appearance here, and the changing the color again and again, it will give you an interesting look on your video. So I'm ending up here by keyframes and decreasing the op art tiles effect, you see. So let's see how I did this. As you see here, I have keyframes and angles. So I added here angles. Here you see this one. So with this, I added keyframes from the beginning. You see, comes and then it starts to decrease. So I decreased here the scale. So the scale was here 4.80 and here it's 0. Also, I added here some lens flare effects where you can find this for free. You can type on Google. So these lens flares give you more original look because the sun is on the top, and that's why I've chosen 2 different lens flare effects. So all you have to do on your video after you're done with this section, you have to delete and keep some of them. Let's see how we can do. Yeah, after we deleted some of them and we kept some of them on our footage, let's see how it looks like without doing anything. It's kind of good, but you can do more change. Yeah. Okay, now I want to delete this one also, and I can delete this also and want to keep this one a little bit here. Yeah, right in the middle. Okay, now I'm changing quickly. So here will be much more better. Yeah, as you see, I modified a little bit the places of these each videos. Actually, you can do whatever you want, and as you wish, you can replace them. So I have chosen for my first footage this replacement, and I added some of these effects in each sequence of my video. And also I added here the cinematic look of title, and it will give you a really more original effect. You can do this actually as you wish, because it depends on your taste. So I'm hoping that you liked the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos. See you in the next video, guys. Take care.